Today I'm going to share with you a very easy to cook dinner idea and some cleaning inspiration with all natural homemade cleaners that is better for your health and it's easier on the budget. I have some grocery that I have to put away, and also I'm going to clean and cut up some vegetables. We have a rainy season and we got tons of mud, so that means I have to wash clothes more often, and I like to do this in the morning, but sometimes if we are outside and we ending up with a lot of dirty clothes, I like to take care of that right on the spot when it's still wet from the mud, so it's not going to stain the clothes and it's not going to dry in there. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm going to have a load of laundry tonight. I like to make this dinner when we have chicken breast and I want to cook it really fast and I don't want to do anything by the stove, and I think it has an official name like shish kebab or something. I don't want to butcher the name of it but basically I just added some onion powder, garlic powder, paprika powder on the chicken breast, and I'm just going to use whatever we have at home, vegetables and a little bit of a bacon and whatever basically I have in the refrigerator. I just put them on the sticks. My family is not too crazy about Brussels sprouts or green beans, but actually I figured out the way that they are actually like this very much, and the secret to it is that I have to cook it for a very long time. It takes away this very strong taste, and since I'm making it that way, they never left it on the plate. Also, I like to add some coconut aminos and garlic powder, so it creates a creamy texture on it and just an extra flavor. I am preparing these vegetables for tomorrow, and I've got a very nice food container for my birthday, and that was my wish. I don't want any jewelry, I don't want anything else, but I wanted to have this dish because it's made from glass, but also I can take out the air from it, so that means the food is going to be fresh 5 times longer than in anything else. And I have so far 2 of these dishes, and also they came with a bag, so right now I'm using more of the bags because it's just cheaper, but eventually I want to buy more of that glass. But I just love the quality of it. I can use them in the oven and it takes out all the air that could potentially ruin the food, so that way we don't throw away anything. I'm trying to clean up the most I can before dinner, because I know after dinner once I sit down it's gonna be harder to clean up everything. So while the food it cooks, I'm going to start to clean up the dishes from the cooking and whatever left from the afternoon. So the coconut aminos that I use most of the time, it has a lid that has just only a little tiny space where the liquid can come out, beside to the teriyaki sauce that doesn't have any lid. So that's how I ended up with so much juice. But I saved that for the tomorrow's lunch.
It was bound to happen, 'cause your heart is caving in. So why you bother? This is nothing you can run from. I hope you make it.
I have this bamboo charcoal infused rag that I like to use to clean the countertop, but I also have lots of kitchen towels. They soaking up the water so well, and they are very inexpensive, and I just hang them on a hidden place where I have these hooks to dry them. I have different kitchen towels for the dishes, but these are specifically for the cleaning. We are done with the dinner and with the game, so the boys are getting ready for taking a shower, brush their teeth, and meanwhile I'm going to start to clean up the kitchen. The floor gets really dirty in the kitchen, in this area between the sink and the cooktop, and basically when I'm putting everything into the dishwasher, I'm like a little pig. So I make a mess all around that, and now that I have this dry mop and this steam cleaner, it's amazing how much easier and faster to clean up everything, because I don't have to bring in the bucket and then empty out the bucket. I just grab this, clean the floor with it, and I'm just putting it away, and that's all it takes. Since I simplified this, I'm more willing to clean it. It is late night now and we just like to chat with my husband. Kids are asleep, so this is when we can talk about all of our plans that we wanna do around and in the house without having an extra noise in the background. And so it's just a very nice time to chat with my husband. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe, or even further, you can share it with your friends or family members or on other platforms, and that would help my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!